vacation to Eastern India isn't complete without a few days in Darjeeling, West Bengal's lovely hill town, and yes, the birthplace of a fine cup of tea. While the town's tea gardens are undeniably appealing, there is much more to see and do. Here are a few key facts. There are over 4,000 distinct floral plants, 300 different kinds of fern, and a plethora of fauna. The area is also home to monkeys, elephants, wildcats, and even endangered red pandas. This Indian city is snuggled between Nepal, Tibet, and Bhutan. The hills that make Darjeeling a hill station are actually the Himalayan mountains. For hundreds of years, the town was ruled by the British. It has architectural styles that still represent the colonial era. Darjeeling has a diverse cultural makeup. People from Nepal, Tibet, and other parts of West Bengal, as well as the indigenous Lepcha people, live in this area. Because of the large influx of people, it's typical to hear a range of languages like English, Nepali, Hindi, and Bengali, and observe a variety of religious architecture ranging from Buddhist monasteries to Hindu temples. Darjeeling is serious about its tea. It is known for producing some of the world's best teas. The Darjeeling tea is a light to medium bodied black tea with fruity and flowery undertones. This tea is unique as it is grown at a greater height than any other tea plant, which may explain its unique flavor characteristics. You will need to plan ahead if you wish to visit the city. People frequently use the New Jalpaiguri train station or fly into Siliguri's Bagdogra airport, then take a taxi. The narrow gauge toy train, established in 1880, continues to run today between New Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling, which has a powerful steam engine. You can go on a ride and shop in the surroundings along the 54-mile circuit, which has 12 stops. Darjeeling is a city with a wide range of cultures and beliefs. Its market is influenced by its diversity. As a result, there are several keepsakes to take home. Local handicrafts, traditional clothing from other ethnicities, Buddhist antiques, Tibetan carpets, and much more. Don't forget to carry some Darjeeling tea and Himalayan honey back with you. Darjeeling is a great and popular destination, despite the fact that it is not the easiest location in the world to access. of the hills provides a perfect gateway for those seeking to be in harmony with nature.